Go more.
Your ass, Mark. Come on, Mark.
Come on, Mark. You can't battle now, Mark. You gotta
battle. You gotta do something.
He's going again. He's going again. Oh, yeah. Come on, Mark. Oh, yeah, fat bitch is the boss. See you guys, how you doing? Yeah, bitch.
Mark, baby, look at the camera. You're amazing, Mark.
Oh, you weren't in the car.
Mix it up, Mark. Mix it up.
It's a timing song.
Oh yeah, almost welcome to a special Grease Truck in my time. All the sexy woman on the fucking house. You know what I mean? I got it.
He doesn't get any better than that.
Give me cuckoo loco, no cheese and steak, please.
He says he's a better dancer.
You know, you can handle that guy. When he moves his ass, he's better than me. You know what I mean? Oh yeah, left. Hey yo.
Oh yeah, oh yeah.
That's it.
Hey, hey, wait. Yo, shake it a little. Shake it. Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
Don't worry, he's not done yet.
Come on, Mark, pour it down your shirt. You gotta do the sexy thing. Come on, Mark, do it. Just jump it over your head. Mark, just dump it over your head and do a little wiggle. Yeah, that's hot. Really? I got big boobs.
Jesus Christ, Smokey! What are you doing?
Wait, how tall am I?
Her boyfriend's right there.
Nah, I'm like 5'11".
I don't want to pass it down.
I'm like an Amazon woman. Yeah.
You're
Thriller cutie. What are you doing talking to me on the phone? You should be down here. Look at those big boobs. Yeah? Wait, is he gonna dance again? Alright, ready? I'll give you my stuff. 277.
Oh, Mark.
Mark, come on! 92. Somebody do something for me! Alright, I gotta go now. I gotta go bust a move.
Mark.
Yeah, Mark! Woo!
Some footwork on the ground.
Ow! Something.
Come on, fat soldier, just bust the move.
You want it?
Yeah, Mark. You got it. Yeah, Mark. Nice guy. Baby, you just bust the move.
Hold on. Well, Chrissy, I'm not with Chrissy at all this week because I'm at the Grease Truck and I'm a dance